how to install FX Console and After Effects. First, go to your browser and search for FX Console. Then let's click this link over here, the first link. Now scroll down until you find the download button. You can download this one on your Windows or Mac. In my case, let's download this Windows since I'm using Windows 11. Select your path. After downloading, go to the file location. From here, extract the zip file. Then you can now double click this one to install. On the prompt, click on I agree. Then after that, you can custom the path over here. Let's just check custom over here and click plugin path. You can choose whichever folder you want to install this one. In my case, I will install this one on my Adobe After Effects folder. So go to your After Effects file location, click this Adobe folder, then Adobe After Effects, and click Support Files. Now select folder below. Here, click Install and Finish. To check this, just go to your After Effects, select your text over here, and hold Ctrl plus space, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.